Should I memorize my speech? That is such a good question. I want to tell you that I write everything down before I say it. And yet, I don't think it makes me sound like SpeakerBot. Our goal is to be prepared, organized, and then to say it like we're just thinking it in the moment. If I leave my speech to chance and just say, oh, something will come out of my mouth that makes sense, usually it doesn't. So yes, write your speech out, practice it several times, then do an outline of your main points, then think your speech through in pictures, and then just say it. You don't have to memorize word for word. You memorize idea for idea and picture after picture, and you'll be ready to give a polished, authentic, and natural speech.